Friends, today's topic is linear equation one variable. As we already covered four part based on this chapter, that is linear equation one variable, and this is the first part of the chapter linear equation in one variable. So let's see what we are going to learn today in this chapter. So let's start the video. Problem sums we are going to do today, as I have taken five problem sums, as it would be very much little bit confusing. I want each and everyone's concentration over here to solve this type of problem sums, because as we all know, in linear equation in one variable in this chapter, the most important thing is we want to just make the equation carefully, then we can solve it easily. Yes friends, so let's begin with the first sum. How many things of a number? How many things of a number? Our number is always x in this type of questions. Things of a number, and subtract 5 by 2 from it. After that, C subtract 5 by 2 from the given number. From it, C multiplies the result. Result means whatsoever will get, multiplies the result by 8. So multiply it by 8, sorry 8, not 3. By mistake I have written 3. So she multiplied by 8. Yes friends, so the result now obtained. Result means answer after solving it she obtains is 3 times the same number. That is 3 times the same number, that means 3, and the number was x. So in this way we have made the equation by reading the question. So I am writing over here so that we can solve it further. I am writing the equation over here. X minus 8 into x minus 5 by 2 was the is equals to 3x. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. So this was the equation that we have got from the question. So let's begin and start solving it. Now what is to be asked? What is the number? That means x is to be asked in the question. Now the only thing that we want to do is, friends, we will just open the brackets. As we have learned distributive property, 8 should be multiplied with x also, and 8 should be multiplied with 5 by 2 also, as we have studied the distributive property in detail. That's why I am telling you always that distributive property plays a most important role while solving the math sums. So it will become 8x and 8 into 5. That means 40 by 2 we can say, or we can cancel it and tell it as 20. That is the thing that also we can say, but let it write so that students won't face problem that how I have written as 20 directly. So in my next step I will do that. What I will do, I will cancel it as 2 1s are 2 20s are. So what I will get as, friends, 8x minus 20 is equals to 3x. Now as per transposition theorem we all know that how to solve it. Minus 20 will go that side and this 3x will come this side. 8x minus 3x and minus 20 after going that side will become plus 20. 8x minus 5x, 3x we all know that is 5x, and value for that is 20, and value for, as per transposition theorem, that would be 20. 5 is multiplication over here this side, after going that side it will become in division. That means what will get, 20 divided by 5, the value of x will get as 4. Yes friends, so the number C has assumed was 4. I hope you all might be getting it, and that was the easiest sum, as we have done this type of sum in previous classes also. Yes friends, so let's begin with the second sum for the day. I hope you all have understood and clear the concept over here. So let's begin with the second sum for the day, that is to be written over here. A positive number is 5 times the another number. Positive number, that means directly tested that the she has or he has not think about the negative number. You have to think positive only. A positive number is 5 times the another number. What is to be said? A number is there. So which number we are taking? X, as we are taking always. Is positive 5 times the another number. So 5 times the other number, that is 5x we can say. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What is to be said if 21 is added to both the numbers? So let's add 21. X plus 21 it will become, and it will become, I'm writing over here, x plus 21 it will become, and it will become 5x plus 21. I have added 21 to both the numbers. Yes. After doing that, what we will get? The number becomes twice the other new number. Twice the other new number. So which one becomes twice? As this is smaller to that number, so it will only become twice the number. So the next number is 21 plus 5x. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. Two numbers were there, x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. What is to be said? After adding 21, one of the number becomes twice the other number. So which number will become twice? Smaller number, that is x plus 21 will become twice. So I have multiplied it with 2. So it have become twice, and now it is equals to 21 plus 5x. Now what are the numbers we need to find? I hope you all might be getting it till now, friends. So let's begin and start with the video. As per our distributive property, what we are going to do, friends, we will multiply 2 with x inside also, and 2 should be multiplied with 21 also. Yes, as per our distributive property. Now it will become 2x, and 21 to it will become 42, and here it will become 21 plus 5x. Yes, friends, so now what we'll do, as per transposition theorem, we all know that x term should be on the left hand side, but the question demands that 5x is greater and it is already having positive sign. So what we'll do, we'll shift 2x towards that side. Yes, so 21 plus 5x minus 2x, this thing we can do, and 21 is in positive over here. After going that side, it will become negative 42 minus 21 as per transposition theorem, and 5x minus 2x will become 3x, we all know. Now 42 minus 21, that is 21, is equals to 3x, and 3 and x are in multiplication over here. So as per transposition theorem, after going that side, it will become in division, and the value of x will get as 7. I hope you all might be getting it, friends. So what is the value of x we are getting? That is 7, but it is to be asked what are the numbers. So the other number was 5x, that also we have to keep in mind. So I am erasing over here so that we can find the value for 5x also. So let's find the value for 5x, that is 5 multiplied by x, that means 5 multiplied by 7, that means the other number is 35. I hope you all have understood and cleared your concept over here. So if you liked my content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. So the two numbers are 7 and 35. Yes, friends, so pause the video and try to solve the third sum by your own, as we have done this type of sum in previous classes also. So let's begin with the third sum for the day, that is to be written over here. Sum of the digits, that question demands special attention. So if you are doing two things simultaneously, leave the other thing and focus on the video, as the third sum is little bit tricky. So if you won't understand it properly, you will face problem in understanding that thing afterward. Sum of digits of a two-digit number is sum of, what is to become, two numbers are there, x plus x1 plus x2. That means two numbers are there, x1 and x2. Their sum is 9. That thing we have to keep in mind. It was just an example. Yes, friends. Now what is to be said? When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original two-digit number. As per our question, two-digit number is there. This is two-digit number. It is at ones place and it is at tens place. Basic concept should be always clear while solving linear equation in one variable. Ones place and tens place, as we all are familiar with that. Two numbers are there, so let us start with that. The number at the tens place would be, as we all are taking it as x also. So at tens place, let it be x, and at ones place it will become 9 minus x. How 9 minus x? Because it was said that this number, that means x plus the other number at the ones place, should result in 9. Yes, again I am telling you, tx, that means tens place x plus ones place whatsoever the number would be y, is equals to 9. So what we will get, the ones place 9's value, that means 9 minus x. It was tens place, so tens and 1 should be cancelled, so x plus y is equals to 9. So what we will get, the value of y is equals to 9 minus x. So that's why I have written the value of ones place at as 9 minus x. I hope you all might be getting it, because these two numbers sum would be 9. Yes, so we have understood and done this thing. So at tens place, if the number is at tens place, then it should be multiplied with x. Yes, friends, as the number is at tens place, then it should be multiplied with x. So let's multiply it with x and write it over here, 10x. And if it has ones place, then it should be added over here, that means 9 minus x. This is the thing, so let's solve it. 9 minus x, that means 10x minus, how we'll solve and write it over here. So I'm solving over here, and we'll write in front of that 10x plus 9 minus x. So it will result in 9x plus 9. This would be our answer. So as I am having lack of space over here, what thing we'll do, 9x plus 9 will write over here, that means 9x plus 9. This is the thing that we'll do over here. This is the first thing that we have done. Now what is to be said, if it is found that the resulting new number, when we interchange the digits, what we have done, we have interchanged the digits. Interchanging the digit means the 9 minus x that is written over here Now it should be written at tens place. Let me show you properly. 9 minus x is written over here, that should be interchanged and written over here, and x should be written over there. So let's do this thing and check what we will get and which equation we are getting after that. Yes friends, so let's interchange it and write the values as per the question demands. So now we will write the values, that is here we will write 9 minus x and here it was x. Yes friends, after interchanging the digits, so I have interchanged the places. Now we'll write the equation. So what was there? 9 minus x should be multiplied with 10 because it is at tens place. So 10 into 9 minus x plus x. So what we will get is, as per distributive property, 10 should be multiplied with 9 also and x also. 10 multiplied by 9, 90. Here 10x plus x. So what we will get? 90 minus 9x we will get as our equation. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it, that how we have got this. So I'm writing over here 90 minus 9x we will get as our second equation. 90 minus 9x. Yes, now what is to be said over here is, we can interchange. It is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number. What was our original number? The equation that we have found first. That means this was our original number and this is the new after interchanging it. Yes friends, so our first equation was the original equation and the second was after interchanging it. Yes friends, that thing we have clear it. Found that the resulting new number is 27 greater than that the new number. That means 90 minus 9x is 27 greater. So let's erase it. Now it is of no use, as we already understood and cleared the concept over here. New number is 27 greater than. So let's write the new number over here. 90 minus 9x is our new number. What is to be said? It is 27 greater, so that the other number should be added with 27 so that they both will become equal. What is to be said? This number is having, new number is having 27 rupees more than you. So I will give 27 rupees to you so that you can become equals to that new number. Yes friends, that thing I have done over here. So let's solve the equation and find the answer over here. Now what thing we can do over here is 90 minus 9x and here 9x plus 9. So x term should be on the one side and the other term should be on the left hand side. Here minus 9x after going that side will become, what it will become friends? Minus 9x over here, after going that side it will become plus 9x as per transposition theorem, as we all know how to do that. So let's do that. 90 equals to 9x plus 9x plus 9 and 27 we know that is 36. And now x term should be on the one side, so 36 after going that side will become minus 36 and 9x plus 9x will become 18x. So what we are going to do friends, 18x equals to 54 we can say, as 90 minus 36 result in 54. Now as per transposition theorem, after multiplication, after going that side it will become in division. That thing I won't tell you now, as we have done this thing lot many times. So 54 divided by 18, sorry, 54 divided by 18 would be the value for the x. So value for the x we have got is 3. Yes friends, as we have assumed two numbers, that is one number was x and the other number was, what was the other number? So I am erasing over here so that we can solve it and get the number. So we'll put in the first equation. Our first equation was 9x what was our first equation friends? 9x plus 9. This was our first equation. Yes, but before that, which number we have assumed over here? We have assumed two numbers, that is x and 9 minus x. These were the two numbers, x and 9 minus x. These were the two numbers. So value of x we have found it as 3 and value of 9 minus x would be, what would be the value of 9 minus x? That which 6 would be the value. So which number we have got over here is friends? The number we have got over here is 36, and after interchanging the digit, what we will get? We will get it as, what we will get as friends? After interchanging the digits, we will get the other number as 63. As in the tens place it was 3, and after interchanging the digit it will become 63. I think you all know after interchanging the digit, so 63 it will become. Yes friends, so the new number is 63. And what is the difference? 27 is the difference. That means our answer is correct. I hope you all might be getting it. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day. I hope you all have understood and cleared your concept over here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the fourth sum for the day. One of the two digits of a two digit number is three times the other digit. One of the two digits of a two digit number is three times the other digit. So our first digit would always be x, as we all know, and the other digit is 3 times, so it will become 3x. That thing we have done. If you interchange the digits of this two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. So instead of thinking so much, so let's put in our equation and let's make the equation. So at tens place, two places would be there tens, and once at tens place we'll put x, and at one place we'll put 3x for the first time. That would be our original equation. Yes friends, so I'm writing over here our first equation. What would be our first equation? I'm writing over here. It would multiply with 10 because it is at tens place, so it will become 10x. Yes, so it will become 10x plus 3x. This is our first equation. Now what is to be said? After interchanging the digit, now we'll interchange the digits. Interchanging, it will become 3x over here and x over here. So let's 10 multiplied by 3x, then that means what we'll do, plus x. Yes friends, so it will become 30x plus x. That means total is 31x, and here total is 13x. Yes, now we have done and found the two equations, that is 13x and 31x. Yes friends, that thing we all know. Now what we are supposed to do, 13x and 31x, these two are the values that we have to keep in our mind, or we need it for solution. So our original number is, what is our original number? Original number, that is 13x, and new number is 31x. Yes friends, I hope you all might be getting it. Now what is to be said? And the resulting number, if you interchange the digit of these two numbers and add, if you will add both these numbers, so let's add it over here, so that we'll find it as 13x plus 31x. We'll get the result as 88. That means 44x is equals to 88, and the value for x will get it as 2. This is the value for the x we are getting over here. So we will put the value in the, where we'll put the values on the numbers that we assumed. So value of x is, what is the value of x? 2, and value of 3x would be 3 multiplied by 2, that means 6. So number would be 26. It would be the original number, and the interchanging number would be 62, as we all know. But in our question it is asked what is the original number. So our original number is 26. So here it is, our answer is 26. I hope you all might be getting it friends. So let's begin with the fifth sum for the day, that is the last sum. So if you understood and cleared your concept, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you understood the concept over here, pause the video and try to solve the last sum by your own, and as I think you all are capable of solving it by your own. So let's begin with the fifth sum for the day. Subho's mother present age is 6 times Subho's present age. Let us assume the Subho's age as x, and her mother age would be 6 times. That means her mother age would be 6x. Yes friends, now what is to be given? This is the value. This is for Subho. I am writing it is Subho, and it is Subho's mother, means SM, Subho's mother. Yes friends, that thing we have to keep in mind. Subho's age 5 years from now, after 5 years, that means x plus 5. Today it is of x age, and after 5 years it will become x plus 5. Yes, Subho's age 5 years from now will be one third of, that means equals to one third of her mother age. What is the mother's present age? 6x, one third of that. So we'll multiply it with one third and we'll solve it. So this is the equation that we'll get over here friends. So afterwards what we are going to do, we are just have to solve the equation and we'll get our answer. So for the right hand side, first we'll solve x plus 5 as it is, and 6 into 3, so we'll cancel it, 3 1s and 3 2s. That means 2x. Yes friends, so as per transposition theorem, x terms will go that side. 5 as it is, 2x minus x, so value of x we will get as 5. So we'll just put the value and get the answer as Subho's age. As Subho's age was x, so Subho's age is, we got as 5 years, and her mother age was 6x. So x is 5, so 6 5s are 30. So her mother age is 30 years. From that we can say that Shobho's age is 5 years and her mother age is 30 years. I hope you all might be getting it, understood it properly. Yes friends, so if you like the content, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching you all.